Hello. This time it's a difference. I have come to Patna Central Mall to explore the venue. I don't have an agenda and plan in mind. This is pure extempo, and I'll see what all things I can demonstrate to rest of the people living in India, across the globe, and particularly my fellow Viharis. So this is this is Patna Central Mall where I am standing today. It's located near Chhajju Bagh police line. So if you may see, this is Patna Central Mall. It's the biggest mall in Patna Central. So you kindly see the kinds of brands which are there. And I'll be exploring the venue. So I will try to interact. Hello sir, you are live.
Oh,
Hello sir,
hi, how you are doing?
how are you sir?
Fine, thank you.
Sir, could you tell us something about yourself?
I am a simple Aghori Tantrik Pandit. My name
Right.
is Pandit Nikhilanand Aghori.
Sir, in terms of your qualification and work experience, if you could say something.
Something about what?
In terms of your educational qualification, experience, whatever you might deem fit.
I have served lots of people abroad, US,
Kindly repeat, sir.
Canada,
Kindly repeat, sir.
I served lots of people abroad. I have performed Havan and Puja for all business tycoons, MP, MLAs, MPPs, and like Pappu Yadav, Subhash Yadav, Tej Pratap Yadav, all in Bihar also. Plus Mamta Banerjee. And when it's a time for election, people they call me and they take my services. I do my services.
That's nice to learn, sir. Sir, could you let me know why have you come to this Central Mall, and probably what do you think is exciting about this mall?
Mall is very good. People they love this mall. It's one.
Why have you come?
I came to have coffee in Starbucks and then have some supper in Hotel Taj. And then
Hotel Taj.
I will see a movie or something.
Sir, could you tell us something about Hotel Taj?
Hotel Taj is pride of Bihar.
But what is it? Is it the same Taj which is there in Mumbai?
Yeah, it's the same kind of Taj, chain of Taj, but it is smaller than that location.
But it's a major blessing to have Taj in our
Bangalore, Taj
Patna.
Delhi, Taj Bombay, Taj everywhere. I've been to abroad also. I stayed in abroad for
Sir,
more than 20 years.
Sir, why have you explored the theatre here, sir? The cinema multiplex theatre here, sir.
Yeah. Movie theater is very good. PVR is very good.
Would you like to watch a movie in this theatre?
Of course. Even I know the manager.
It
over
was
there.
great talking to you, sir. I'll get in touch with you as soon as possible. Thank you, sir.
No problem.
So basically, I'm trying to move around in this place and see what all things are available and happening in Patna. So there seems to be a car She is a woman. Outlet meant for women. W stands for woman. Makers and awesome. Hello. So this is a vintage car. And this is perhaps Burger King. And this seems to be Mochi footwear outlet, I guess. So you can see the collection of footwear here. These are the employees. I would not bother you, sir. I'm just trying to show what all things are available in this mall. I'm a journalist, sir. So you see, likes of brand like Mochi is available in Patna. And I like to explore other brands available in Patna. Let's see what I can explore here. Thank you, sir. So that was Mochi. And this is Kitco. It's called Kitco. And ladies are coming here for purposes that they would know, to explore, to buy food, to consume delicious food. Burger King is also there. This is Crocs. This is Crocs. And this place is Burger King. This place is Burger King. And you see the youth, the Generation Z. Hello sir, can I talk to you?
Why not?
Sir, I'm just trying to do a video in terms of showing to the rest of the country the changing socio-logical preferences in Bihar. So, could you tell me about yourself a little bit, sir?
Go ahead, Lalit. Go ahead. Waiting for you, Lalit.
ललित जी बोलिए.
Sir, what do you want to know?
हिंदी इंग्लिश सब चलेगा.
सर क्या जानना चाहते हैं?
Tell us about yourself. आप सर यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं?
Actually, सर हम लोग स्टूडेंट हैं.
He is also?
Yeah, I am also a blogger.
अच्छा blogger.
Yeah.
Same here, sir.
Okay, actually, we are currently pass out of our 2025 batch of BTech, and here we are a meetup. And here we are coming for a meetup, and after some time we will go from here.
So what is interesting in this Burger King place, sir?
Nothing is just when we are eating.
Go ahead. Call a spade, sir. Go ahead.
Only a branding, nothing more.
Branding.
Yeah.
Is this, yes, we all know that Burger Kings is a major brand.
Yeah.
But however, don't you think that brands like Starbucks and Burger King and perhaps Cafe Coffee Day and Barista were not earlier available? So don't you think it's a welcome departure? Don't you think we should welcome the changing landscape of Patna, Bihar?
Yeah, a lot of things are changing nowadays. Nowadays, if you come to Bihar and if you want to be if you come at late at like a 2 p.m. or sorry at 2 a.m.
सर ये बताइए कि आपकी कितनी गर्लफ्रेंड्स है सर?
Currently, I have no girlfriend.
Oh, that's very sad. Yes, this lady on camera is admitting that she is. Look at the confidence. Look at the alacrity, and look at how frank Bihar is. Ma'am, please spare a few lines. Hindi, English, सब चलेगा. कुछ भी
Actually, I'm not from Bihar. I'm from Jharkhand. I have come here.
Nobody knows Jharkhand.
Everybody knows Jharkhand. Okay, so we are friends. We have come here for just a meetup, and that's
a hangout.
a hangout.
So do you think Patna now is, you are from Jharkhand, you would know how Ranchi is, and to best of my knowledge, Ranchi is little happening place. So ma'am, do you think Patna has also, we are considered to be a very boring place. Patna erstwhile was considered to be a very boring place. So do you think maybe Patna is becoming cool?
Patna is already cool. Here are my bros. Very cool.
So ma'am, tell us about your education.
I've done BTech from VIT Jharkhand.
What do you do?
Yes.
What do you do, ma'am?
I am currently placed in a company, Tata Hitachi.
That's great. I offer you best of luck in your career, and it was pleasure meeting your group. Kindly tell your name, ma'am.
Ayushi Tiwari.
Ayushi Tiwari. Your name, sir.
Lalit Singh.
And I'll just take one more footage. This is the gangsta, or perhaps the dopesta gang of Bihar. Thank you, sir. Naam number. So you would see that this place, Burger King, is jam-packed. It's jam-packed. So to say that there is mass poverty in Bihar, perhaps must be considered, because there is a segment in Bihar who has disposable income and willing to spend money on lifestyle products and eateries.